pete'stools.com.
G'day guys, Pete's Tools, how are you all going today? It's persisting down on my side of the world again. It never bloody stops raining here, guys. Hey, I got this helmet the other day. It's a Dekopro or something like that. I don't know what exactly it's called. I think it's Deco something. And I've been playing with it for a couple of days. It's not too bad actually. So what I thought I'd do today, guys, is we'll do a little bit of welding and I'll show you what it looks like through the helmet and you can decide yourself whether it's worthwhile buying. I mean, this thing's under 40 bucks, so you know, what do you expect? And this welding helmet I bought probably 4 or 5 years ago and it cost me $90. And you know, like I say, I've been playing with this thing for a couple of days now and I actually think this might be better than the other one. Anyway, enough bullshit from me, let's get into it. Same as usual guys, if you like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Come say good day at pete'stools.com if you want. Remember guys, you can comment below if you found some better welding helmets or cheaper welding helmets or something else you'd like me to do a bit of a review on. Anyway, enough of that crap, Pete. Get into it. Yeah! So one of the things I like best about this helmet, guys, is it actually has an off-on switch here. You hear it click on and off, and it also has shades, different shades, 1 to 5 as you go around. Whereas this one here only has, you can alter your shades and you can alter your sensitivity on this, which you can on this as well, but you alter your shade and your sensitivity on the inside of this helmet, through here, through this one and this one. Because they're solar powered, guys, you can't actually turn them off. For the old ones you can't turn them off, so if you have this in the garage for 2 or 3 months and don't do any welding, you come to go do some welding and then the bloody thing doesn't work properly because it's discharged, and then you go and stick it out in the sun for half an hour to try and charge it up, but you've left it that long that the bloody battery's knackered and it won't go anyway. So that's why I like this, because it's not only is it solar panel in here where it charges itself up once you put it in the sun, but when it's charged you can actually turn the bloody thing off so it doesn't waste the power little by little when you're not using it. So that's one of the bonuses anyway, guys. Now the old helmet here, guys, if you have a look in here, actually has a grinding switch on it. Can you see that? You just flick that switch over and you go to grinding or not grinding, whereas this other one here doesn't. But the advantage, like I say with this, is you wear the thing on your bloody head and you just turn it off for grinding, and then when you go to welding you just turn it back on again. I think that's a lot better, like I say, because it doesn't discharge your battery. So what we'll do, guys, is we'll set the old one up in front of the camera and then we'll put the new one in front of the camera and I'll show you the difference. We'll do a bit of plasma cutting, a bit of arc welding and a bit of MIG welding, and yeah, you can decide for yourself if you think it's worthwhile buying or it's not. But like I say, I reckon it's quite awesome. So guys, this is the clear vision through my old welding helmet. So let's do a little bit of MIG. There you go. So as you notice, guys, that's quite dark. Now what we'll do, guys, is we'll do a bit of plasma cutting, same helmet. Now what we'll do, guys, is a bit of stick welding. So guys, that was looking through my old welding helmet. So what we'll do now is we'll grab the new one and then we'll set it up and we'll look through that, see if you can notice any difference. Yeehaw! Right guys, this is looking through my new helmet. That's on shade 1, guys. I'll put it on shade 2, just with that knob that I showed you on the front of it. Do this again. You see the difference? It actually looks quite clear, doesn't it? Once again, guys, we'll try it with plasma cutting. Pretty good. Yeah. And last but not least, guys, we'll do a bit of arc welding. Yeehaw! What do you reckon, guys? So guys, that was my new toy for the week. I'm quite pleased with it actually. I think it works really, really well. Like I say, the really thing that I like is you can turn the bloody thing on and off and you don't run your batteries down when you're not using it. If you want to buy one of these helmets, guys, I'll put a link in the description below. You go and have a look for yourself. Under 40 bucks, don't think you can go wrong. Anyway guys, same as usual, like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Come say good day in the comments below, we can have a bit of a yarn. And we'll see you next time, eh? Yeehaw! Oh, if you've got an old welding helmet and you want to know how to clean the lens, check up here for this video up here, guys. And if you've always been curious about the factory prices in China of your welding consumables, check up here. See you guys. Bye.
Pete'sTools.com